Okay, the Manifoil Mark IV combination lock. So it is a 4-number lock where only 3 numbers are changeable and the last number is fixed depending on the hand of the lock. So this one is locking to the left, so the last number will be 0. So the factory code is 40, 50, 60, 0. So we start off, we can use this 12 o'clock mark there, and we start off by turning this to the right. So our first number is 40, so we're going to go once, twice, 3, 4, stopping on the 5th time, 40. And we're going to do 50 4 times, so one in the opposite direction, once, twice, 3, 4. Now 63 times in the opposite direction, once, twice, 3, and then the 0, which can't be changed, twice, once, twice. And we turn the opposite direction, and about there we get a drop-in point. Continue turning, it pulls the bolt back. And that is opening. To lock it, simply turn to the left. Now scramble it a few times. Okay, and then it's locked. So depending on the handing is what that last number is. So because we're looking to the left, it's a 0. Now imagine if we pick that whole lock up and we turn it that way, our mark would be at the top, which would be 25. Okay, we I've never seen any set at 50, and then we might have one which is set at 75, locking up. So that's really the only difference. So you can determine what hand of lock you've got from the outside, and with a bit of knowledge inside the lock. So this has got some anti-manipulation rollers. So imagine we've got one mark there, we can hear that. So if we just set our 0 up there, we try 0, mark there, there's one there. So it's 2 manipulation rollers. That narrow distance, regardless if it was here and here, wherever, they will tell you the direction lock. So the narrow side is always on. Or the distance and the gap, the narrow side there means that it's pointing in that direction. So if the narrow side was there and there, it means it's pointing down. If it was there and there, it means it's pointing up. So that's how you can determine the handing from outside. So a very good lock, manipulation resistant, yes, because this is an ex-government lock and it has some material inside it. It's got lead to make it X-ray resistance. Manipulation proof because it's got these manipulation rollers. It is possible to open them with an auto dialer, but then that's going to take you a long time to open it with an auto dialer. So thanks for watching. Any questions, please ask in the comments, and if there's any videos you'd like to see, then please let us know and see what we can do. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button.